In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to a Wix website. We'll start inside the Wix editor. Open your website, then go to the left sidebar and click the plus icon, which is the Add Elements button from there. Select Store. If you don't immediately see it, you can also choose Add Apps and search for Wix stores. Once you find it, click Add to Site. At this point, Wix will automatically create the main pages your online store needs. That usually includes your shop page, individual product pages, the cart page, and the thank you page. This setup saves time and gives you the basic structure required for customers to browse and complete purchases. Next, it's important to know that product management happens outside the visual editor. So once the store is added, return to your main Wix site dashboard. You can do that by clicking Site and then Dashboard, or simply by closing the editor. In the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Click Catalog and then select Store Products. Now you are ready to add an item. Click the New Product button in the top right corner. Wix will ask whether you want to create a physical product or a digital file. Choose Physical Product if you are shipping something to customers, and choose Digital File if you are selling something downloadable like a PDF image or audio file. Once you are in the product page, begin filling out the basic information. Add a clear product title and a description that explains what the item is, what it does, and any important features customers should know. You can also add a ribbon if you want to highlight the product with a label such as New Arrival or Best Seller. Then upload your media. High-quality photos work best. And Wix also allows GIFs or short videos, which can help shoppers understand the product more clearly. After that, enter your price. If you want, you can also mark the item as on sale, which lets you display either a discount percentage or a fixed discount amount. If your product comes in different versions, like multiple sizes or colors, click Add Options to create those variants. This is especially useful if each variation has its own price or inventory. If you want Wix to automatically stop selling an item when it's out of stock, turn on Track Inventory and enter the SKU or stock quantity. For physical items, also add the product weight, so shipping rates can be calculated more accurately during checkout. When everything looks good, click Save in the bottom right corner of the product page. Then return to the Wix editor and click Publish in the top right. So your new products are live and ready for customers to view and buy. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.